From design to sales, automate everything with DriveWorks. Configure your product in just a few clicks. Start by selecting colors and interior trim options, instantly visualized in real time. Move into Fit Out and choose the mechanical setup, with intelligent rules guiding every selection. Select modules and explore optional categories like toolbox or canopy, tailored to your requirements. Add accessories and preview updates instantly, ensuring everything fits perfectly. Includes services like delivery and installation, with automatic pricing. Submit your configuration and generate a detailed quotation in seconds. Fill in your details to receive the results. No manual work, no errors, just faster automation.